Which now brings me to the question of security. Part of the insecurity challenges in Kisii is related to land pressure. You report many cases here of murder. There are very many cases of murder in this county. You also report cases of killing of older persons in the name of, or they are engaged in witchcraft. The reality is that it is not about witchcraft. Witchcraft is the excuse. The real truth is that younger people are eliminating their elders so that they can quickly inherit land because of the pressure of land. So land is a big contributing factor insofar as murder is concerned here, and all these killings that are done in the name of witchcraft are at the end of the day related to land issues. This is a conversation we must continue having with the lands ministry to see how best succession can be expedited. But I tell you, without fear of contradiction, the solution to land issue in Kisii is to have land consolidation, because the fragmentation of land has created pressure. And if there is a county that is threatened to be a slum, if we don't do anything in another 20 or 30 years, is here. And we thank God for the housing project. We need to support this county heavily to make sure that housing project can progress. That's why in our ministry we are working together to relocate our prisons, which is in town, so that a major housing project can be done there and becomes a model to show the residents of this county what the future should look like, and to encourage people to live together and then allow the rest of the land, like it happens in many parts of the world, especially in Europe and other places which are highly populated. They are only able to feed themselves because they have done land consolidation. We also want to encourage as many people as possible to avoid to embrace burials in public cemeteries that are designated, and that should be the future. Otherwise, the pressure that is in land is, sometimes even people are unable to bury their loved ones, and it creates pressure and fights and killings among citizens.